Okay, this patient is in orthokeratology lenses, and we have the initial and second designs up right now. The problem we're facing is a little bit of an undercorrection. With the initial lens, the patient still had about a diopter and a quarter remaining myopia. We redesigned with slightly higher topo demand, and the patient still has about 75 or 3/4 of diopter of residual myopia. The treatment zones on the topographies did look good, well centered, they looked uniform, and so I would recommend just increasing the topo demand of this lens a little bit more, and that should take care of the residual prescription. If we look at the change that occurred from the first to second lens, we increased the power by approximately 0.36 diopters, 26 diopters. So about a quarter diopter, and we affected about a half diopter of refractive change. So if we have 3/4 remaining, then I would probably put a target of an additional half diopter here. So our target would be around a 1.95. Oftentimes what I do is I just build the exact over refraction or residual refraction right into the power of the lens. So even if we went up to a plus 2.15, I think that would work out okay. The patient might have a little bit of a minus over refraction first thing in the morning, but I don't think it would be long lasting, and I don't think it would affect vision. But since we do have the history, we can extrapolate this data, and a target of 195 I think is pretty reasonable. So I would just, in 100% mode, click up until we're at pretty close to 195. And then in 25% mode, touch up each meridian. If I can get within 0.02 of each one. And that looks like the closest we're going to get in each meridian. I'm just going to swing through one more time and make sure the curves look okay. And the tear graft does look good in every meridian. So we initially started with the very first lens design, 8.74 base curve, power of 1.19. This one had a residual refraction of a diopter and a quarter. Now we're up to an 8.90 base curve lens, target power of 192, and this should take care of that remaining amount of not astigmatism but myopia and get your patient seeing a little bit better. So I hope this works out well, and thanks for watching.